Hello and welcome to JM Tech Compare and Unboxing. Today in this video we are unboxing Xiaomi 11i HyperCharge. So without further delay, let's get started. The main highlights of this phone are: it has got MediaTek Dimensity 920 5G processor, 120W Xiaomi HyperCharge, 120Hz Full HD plus AMOLED display, 108 megapixel triple pro camera, Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and IP53 rating, Dolby Atmos dual symmetrical stereo speakers. Let's get started with unboxing. Inside the box, you will be getting a good quality case to protect the phone, some paperwork documentation, SIM card tool, USB Type-C cable, 120-watt fast charger. In terms of physical overview and build, it has got glass front and glass back. Towards the top is a noise-cancelling mic, an IR blaster, a 3.5mm jack, and a speaker. Towards the bottom a speaker, a microphone, a charging slot, and a SIM tray. Towards the right volume rocker and a button for power on, off and a fingerprint sensor. And towards the left is nothing. It has got a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. And some of the sensors available in the phones are accelerometer, gyro sensor, proximity sensor, and compass. There are 4 color options available for this phone, which are Camo Green, Stealth Black, Purple Mist, and Pacific Pearl. Coming to the body dimensions. The length is 163.7mm, which is 6.44 inches. And the width is 76.2mm, which is 3.00 inches. And the thickness is 8.3mm, which is 0.33 inches. Coming to the display. It has got a AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The size of the display is 6.67 inches. The screen-to-body ratio is 86.1% and the resolution is 1080 x 2400 pixels with 395 ppi density. The front glass is protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Coming to memory and storage. It does have a micro SD slot that is micro SD-XC, which uses a shared SIM slot. 2 variants are available and are 128GB with 6GB RAM, 128GB with 8GB RAM, and 256GB with 8GB. Coming to the camera. The rear camera is having a triple setup with a primary sensor having 108 megapixel. The secondary sensor is having 8 megapixel. The third sensor is having a 2 megapixel macro camera. In terms of video, it supports 4K at 30 fps, 1080p at 30/60/120 fps, 720p at 960 fps. Coming to the front camera. It has got a single camera setup with a 16 megapixel sensor. Using this you can shoot 1080p videos at 30 fps. In terms of the platform, the OS is Android 11, which is upgradable to Android 12, MIUI 13. The chipset is MediaTek Dimensity 920, 6nm. With octa-core, 2x2.5 GHz Cortex-A78 and 6x2.0 GHz Cortex-A55, CPU and GPU is Mali G68MC4. Coming to the sound systems. A 3.5mm jack and a loudspeaker are available with dual stereo speakers at the top and bottom. Coming to the battery. It has a LiPo 4500 mAh, non-removable battery with 120-watt charging which charges the device 100% in 15 minutes. Now coming to the communication ports. It supports GSM, HSPA, LTE and 5G technology. Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n/ac/6, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, hotspot. The Bluetooth version is 5.2, A2DP, LE. NFC is not there and the USB is Type-C. In the final segment, we have the benchmarking performance tests and are Antutu 375528 V8 437872 V9 Geekbench 2225 version 5.1 GFX Bench 22 frames per second ES 3.1 on screen. Thanks for watching. See you in another tech video. Please do like, share, and subscribe.